Yeah, what's up, you guys?
How y'all doing? CJ here.
And Denny over here, and together we are
Agate Enchantment.
and Rock Wizardry. That's right, you got us. And today we got a killer show for you. A little short one that should help you if you want to drill agates.
But before we do that,
little agates.
Before we do that,
okay.
We hit a huge milestone.
We did!
4,001 subscribers.
4K today!
Thank you so much to
2021's looking up.
Thank you again to all of our subscribers. We really appreciate
Thank you,
your
guys.
support.
We really do, each and every one of you.
Yes.
We try and answer your comments really quick. But so they don't want to hear all this.
Exactly.
They want to hear what they're going to see today, right?
If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please
consider it, especially after this little short video.
So we are going to show you how to drill a hole in a tiny Gemmy Rose quartz.
I feel like a stewardess.
And we are going to use a Mastercraft rotary tool with a 3-foot flexi shaft and a 1mm bit.
1 millimeter, real tiny.
Yes.
Really tiny little rose quartz Gemmy agate.
Exactly.
Going out for a gift to a very special lady.
And yes, it did. So this video is to show you how to create a hole to begin a beautiful piece of jewelry.
All right, stick around.
Come along with us.